When you are driving, a signpost tells you where you need to go next or how many kilometers you still have. It tells you if you must turn left or turn right. It gives you additional information that you might need. Well, in English, we have signposts too. And these are words or phrases that we use that guide the conversation onto the next route. You are going to learn what signposts are, when to use them, and some simple examples you can copy in meetings, demos, and even emails. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome to Syntax English with me, Jessica. As I mentioned, today we're talking about signposts, what they are, and how you can use them. Let's get started. Signposts are words or short phrases that show the direction of your message. They prepare your listener for what comes next. The situation, a problem, a question, an answer, or even a change in the topic. There are going to be two parts to this video. Part one, we're going to go through some general signposts, and part two, we're going to go through some transition signposts, some more complex ones. Buckle yourself in, let's go. Starting with general signposts, we have situations. Currently, right now, broadly. With these ones, we are setting the scene before giving details. And we put the signpost at the start of a sentence, and we're going to keep our sentences short. Right now, the app is stable in staging. Your listener knows that you are describing the current state, not the plan, or the risk, or any future problems. Second one, complications, however or but. You are introducing a contrast or a problem. I want you to pause before the word and keep the problem to one clear sentence. However, the login flow fails on older devices. Your listener is going to expect a change and listens for the impact. Question. Therefore, the result of this raises the question of. You are turning facts into a question or a decision point. I want you to state the fact first, then the question signpost. For example, the pilot went well. The result of this is a simple question. Do we scale now or the next sprint? You are moving the room from information to a decision that needs to be made. Answer. The answer to this is the most effective solution is. You are giving the conclusion or the recommendation. Now I want you to say this confidently, one sentence first, and then the detail can follow after. For example, the answer to this is to roll back today and patch by Wednesday. Everyone knows what you are proposing and they know it fast, immediately. That was a really quick run through of some important signposts that we use quite often. What I want you to do is, if you have any doubts, listen to it again. And if you have any questions, please write the question in the comments. Let me have a look at it, and I will try and answer the question in the best way that I can. We are now going to move on to the transition signposts. Now, some of these are going to be a little bit more complex.